9 Interesting Facts About Dolphins. Dolphins are one of the most intelligent animals in the world and have been studied by scientists. In many ways, dolphins are similar to humans, but they also have some incredible skills that set them apart as beings we could never be. Whether you love dolphins or want to learn more about them, here are 9 interesting facts about these fascinating creatures. Dolphins have their own language. Dolphins are capable of making their own specific sounds, each with its own meaning, but they also borrow from other animals, like humans, using signature whistles to identify themselves and respond to each other. So far, scientists have identified at least 50 different types of whistles that can mean anything from "I'm scared" to "let's play," but there are probably many more as well. Even more impressively, dolphins can learn completely new languages as well. Although they don't have lips or teeth, these animals can mimic any sound they hear, just like a parrot. Dolphins have names. Dolphin names are chosen by their pod. The pod communicates through clicks and whistles, so it's likely that dolphin names are whistles. However, as dolphins have no external ears, there is no way to be sure. In some areas where multiple species of dolphins live, dolphins often give a different name for each species in their area. For example, in Taiji Cove, Japan, multiple species of dolphin live together and are referred to as separate names by locals. Bottlenose dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror. The ability to recognize themselves in a mirror has only been found in a handful of species, such as dolphins, elephants, and chimps. Researchers' theory is that dolphins use their mirror neurons to recognize themselves in a mirror. Mirror neurons are cells found in mammals that are activated both when an animal performs an action and when it observes another animal performing that same action. In humans, these neurons play a role in learning language and copying behaviors. Some dolphins have been taught to understand English. At one marine mammal facility in Japan, dolphins have been taught to understand and follow over 30 words spoken in English. These dolphins have even demonstrated a rudimentary ability to speak, copying human speech. In fact, researchers say that certain dolphins at the facility have learned to utter short sentences with several syllables and know up to 125 unique commands, though no one's quite sure what they mean. Dolphins teach each other. Dolphins teach each other through education and imitation. They're social, highly interactive animals that tend to be curious about their surroundings and fellow dolphins. In addition to teaching each other, dolphins learn new behaviors by imitating one another. Without much of a survival instinct, they need to rely on one another for many things. The more time spent together, the greater an individual dolphin's knowledge becomes. Dolphins can use tools to hunt for food. Smart animals are fascinating to observe, but dolphins may be one of our smartest fellow creatures. Not only can they use tools to hunt for food, but studies have also shown that they can even make human-like distinctions in their own environment and understand abstract concepts such as zero. The bottlenose dolphin is generally thought to be one of our planet's most intelligent animals, thanks to a large and complex brain and a high level of interconnectivity between brain cells. Dolphins help humans who are drowning. They're playful, funny, and protective of their pods and will alert humans if they see someone drowning in need of help. A couple years ago, there was a report on NPR about dolphins in Florida who noticed beachgoers were having trouble swimming in deep water, so they actually went up to humans and pushed them to shore or brought them back to shallow water. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Dolphins sleep with one eye open so that they can remain on guard against potential predators. Dolphins are conscious breathers, meaning they choose when to breathe and when to hold their breath. Unlike humans, who breathe automatically in a steady rhythm while sleeping, dolphins must consciously continue their breathing cycle while asleep. If one isn't awake enough to remember to breathe, it will suffocate and die. Like most animals, dolphins sleep in order to rest both body and mind, but unlike us humans, they do not have REM sleep cycle, a time period when brain activity is very similar in both sleeping and waking states, during which dreaming occurs. There is no such thing as bad weather for dolphins. Dolphins have been observed going to feeding areas even in bad weather such as snow, fog, rain, and waves. This is probably because dolphins are highly social animals that are used to traveling together. Since these dolphins don't like to be alone or separated from their pod members, they continue on their way despite difficult circumstances. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this.